guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Well, we were quite busy this weekend building this area for us to enjoy through the summer. We've been wanting to build a fireplace area for a little while and finally got some time and decided to put it in since we're gonna be doing a lot of staycationing this summer. We wanted to have an area where we can just relax and unwind. This video is part of a challenge hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner, and she had invited us to share our summer lanterns. So this challenge called Summer Lantern Challenge 2020, and we could either decorate a lantern or show how we are decorating with lanterns in our home for the summer. So this is what the backyard used to look like before, and then we started with the fire pit, kind of the focal point. We got these beautiful rocks and a fire ring to install. Then once I was finished, I was at Costco. I came across these beautiful lanterns. They were $29.99 for two, and they were kind of on a hanging hook, and I thought they would be perfect for around my fire pit. They were originally I was going to get tiki torches, but then when I saw these, I thought these would be a much better fit and a lot less work. So they came, like I said, set of two in a box, and they weren't too hard to put together. The bottom part was separate and the top part was separate, and then the lanterns themselves were separate. So I had unpacked everything, kind of skimmed through the instructions just so I would know what I need to do and not miss a step, and I put them together. Once they were together, I have decided to figure out where I'm going to put them. I'm just showing you how to hang the top part to them and the bottom, just a little how-to, I guess, tutorial. And then I kind of played around with where I was going to place them. Since I had four, I kind of wanted to space them out, but not too close to the fire pit, but not too far from it either. As you can see, I'm wearing long pants and a sweater. Just earlier this week, it was so hot that we couldn't even go outside because there was heat warning, and I couldn't take the daycare kids outside because of it. But today, not so much. I think it was 13 degrees outside with crazy weather we're having. And then the last thing that I did was attach the little bottom part to it to hold the lantern in place if it gets really windy, so it doesn't fly off the hook. So here they are. I think they are looking spectacular. I can't wait to see what they look like at night once they get fully charged from the sun. So I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this challenge. I have participated several times already and I truly enjoy it. And I also want to mention that I will have Kenya's channel linked down below as well as the playlist to this challenge, so make sure you go check out both because there's going to be tons of inspiration. And if you're stopping by on my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.